If you want to start using Sellfy, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start with Sellfy. So first, make sure you are on the sellfy.com. So if you are new on here, you can click on the start free trial button on the upper right corner and then start filling out your email address and create a password and then click sign up. But if you already have an account, you can just simply click the login button. So in this case, I'm going to sign up with my email account in Google. So, Sellfy offers a free trial, but you may need to upgrade to access all features depending on your needs. So, once you're done creating your account, Sellfy will ask you what you want to sell. So, you can check whatever you want to sell in here. It could be a digital download streams or digital subscriptions or physical products or print on demand products. It's up to you. So in this case, I'm going to check all of this except for the physical products. Once you're done, just simply click the next button and then Selfie will ask you to categorize your products. You can choose arts and craft and beauty and health. It's up to you, but in this case, I'm going to choose the others for now. And then after that, you'll be redirecting to the customization of your store. You can choose your theme color. You can also edit your store name and put a logo for your shop. So under that, you will see there the short description. You can add a short description for your shop, and also you can link your social platform in your Selfie account. So once you're done, just simply click the done button. So once you're done, you'll be redirecting to your dashboard. So on the left side, you'll see there the add new product. That feature is where you will going to add your products in Selfie. So for example, we're going to add a digital product that we will going to sell in Selfie. So in here, you'll need to fill out those information. So you'll need to attach the product files and then you'll need to input your product name. So assumingly we already have or done inputting our product in here, you can just simply click the save button. So it will publish on your Selfie store. Take note that you can decide on the type of product you want to sell. It can be digital products, physical products, or subscription. You can also sell a print-on-demand products if integrated with Selfie. And here, in the payment settings, you can also connect your Selfie account to payment providers like PayPal or Stripe. This ensures you can accept payment securely from your customers. So once everything is set up, you can now publish your store by clicking on the Go Live button. And also, you can use the analytics feature to track your sales, customer behavior, and top performing products. You can also adjust your pricing, marketing strategies, or product offerings based on the data. And that's it. That's how to get started with Selfie as a beginner in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.